Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to another stock portfolio update video. This is the first month where after I invested, so instead of the $49,000 difference with all the money I invested, it actually went pretty good. Ended up, 28.50. It was a difference in the equity, and the loss slash profit is just all the reds and greens put together. So I'm up on that by 6,100, 61. And then, difference from last month. Let me see if I did that right. Yeah. Okay, I did. It's $5,800 was the difference. So, yeah, I gained a lot on this, I can tell you that. And the current invested, it's just, I'm adding, I'm not doing any reoccurring investment, but I'm just including the dividend reinvestments into that. So that's going to just go up whatever I earn for dividend, which will show what we got later in the video. But Roblox, worst stock I ever invested in, sold it. I lost like over half my money. So it's like, yeah, just with what they're doing with the children age stuff, it's really not going great. So just got rid of that one. Yeah, SPHD, we're up exactly $60. That's a good ETF. If anyone's starting out, I would definitely recommend that. QYLD and RYLD, they're really high dividend ETFs. Yeah, I mean, if you want good passive income, it's like last time I checked, it was like 11% dividend, which is huge, but I'm still down on QYLD by a bit, but the dividends made up for that plenty. And Brookfield down 121. Walmart still up a bunch, 605. And we added point zero 0.02 shares. McDonald's down 95. So yeah, this is the first month where I can actually a full month of having all these stocks. So this video is definitely being longer. SPGI down 36. I wouldn't can't add much to Disney down 25. RLD up 24. Johnson and Johnson were up 26, 66. Roblox got rid of. Never buying it again. Terrible, terrible. SBR were up 111. I wish I could buy more on Robinhood, but that I bought as a penny stock, so I didn't have much money back then, but yeah, doubled my money. Ford, and that was when I was a newer investor when I bought SBR, but penny stocks usually never work out. That was just luck, honestly, but Ford were up 254. Huge on that. EPD up 34. Sixth Street Lending, TSLX, we're down 120. Realty Income down 101, but that's okay. Doing it for long term, and it has good dividends. SWK, we're up 208. A bunch of reds here. MasterCard down 88. Home Depot, we're down 99. Dow down 83. That's some mineral company thing. I have to look at that again. Visa, we're down 55.63. AT&T down almost 110. VTI, another ETF. That one's a really good one too to buy if you're not looking to buy a bunch of stocks like I did. That one's up 150. Sherwin-Williams are down 18. Levi down 40. And Ship, it's like some Greek cargo ship company, up almost 90. Tesla, I didn't add any onto that, or Rivian, but up 270. And Rivian still down 154. Should have bought when it was at a really low price because would have been up with the dollar cost average thing. And Coca-Cola, we're up 96. Cisco, all the tech stocks are just huge because Trump like invested or something government money into tech companies, and so up 1,051 on Cisco. Worthington Steel, we're up 169, so gained about $44 from last month. Steel Dynamics 410, almost a $200 increase. Apple's up 365, went up about almost a little over 2 100. Chevron up at 870. I didn't expect much from that with all the oil, gas stuff, but Pfizer were down 88.61, but that gives such good dividend, so it's worth it. Altria, we're up 175. AbbVie up 156. Comcast down almost 160. That one I'm a little worried about, but it had good dividend too. RVI, it's just Robinhood's venture fund thing. I'm up 25. I put $50 in. I didn't want to go crazy on that. AMT, we're up 170 almost. Blackstone, we're down 156. CVS, we're up 462. UPS, we're at 54.67 gained. Triple M 2027, and then Dell is the one that just did amazing. I almost want to sell it, but then that's going to be work income tax because I haven't had it for a year, and yeah, I'm holding it for long term. So if the earnings go down to 500, whatever, yeah, I'm not gonna buy and sell, trade the market. I'm just holding. So I'm up 2,300 almost. And Oracle, another tech one, up 482, and then MDU down 33.37. But yeah, we did great from last month to this month. Huge earnings. And then I'll just go to the interest. Still have a good bit sitting in there, but not as much. So made 43.42. So yeah, it's not gonna be much, but just a nice little side thing, I guess, for extra money. And stock dividend, yeah, not bad, but hopefully it goes up higher because I'd like to see that. But even if it doesn't, the growth just completely throws this out of the water. It made, yeah, just off Dell 2,300 almost instead of just 174 out of interest. So yeah, SPHD 343 monthly. QYLD is also monthly, made 30.88. Try and reinvest all this. Walmart, weird. It was like a early, I've never seen it on Robinhood, but early dividend. So we're up $3 and or got $3.02. It's yeah, weird that it did that. RLD 369, Johnson and Johnson. It's nice seeing these dividends when I have a bunch of money in it, even if they're some of these aren't like insanely high, but 11.17 we made on that one. SBR is also monthly, the one I can't buy on Robinhood. $1.12, so it went up a lot. Ford, we got 15.98. EPD 2014. Realty income increased at $8 by what we invested, so 8.78. MasterCard got 51 cents again. Not sure why that would be. Yeah, they must have had that out but before I invested that money, the ex dividend date. Visa 308. Yeah, and AT&T 255. So some of these are still counting for four I had before I invested all my money, but Sherwin-Williams, we made 250. That was a pretty low dividend one, but Levi 619. And yeah, just a bunch I got rid of. Chip, can't wait to see that one. That's gonna be high, but didn't get any this month. And Apple, we made 214. Really low dividend on that one. Chevron, higher dividend, made 12.07, and then Pfizer, that one's really good for dividend, made $28 and a penny. And Blackstone's also not bad at 12.41. CVS 15.62, UPS 19.57, Triple M 6.41, and Dow 6.98. So I mean, yeah, with the money I got just from growth, I am fine with holding it. I'm not gonna sell. Hopefully, eventually one day retire off this, which is my goal. But I'm going to college right now, so it's gonna. I don't see crazy growth. It's all gonna just be the money and dividend reinvested. And for the total, we made 113.04 for this month, which I cannot wait to see the others when it's all. Next month is gonna be huge once it's all actually filled in with the full amount from what I invested. June, let's see. So we'll expect McDonald's, SPGI, Ford got weird. TSLX, that's gonna give a lot. So, yeah, Stanley Black and Decker is gonna give some. Home Depot, Dow, that's gonna give a good bit. Yeah. Worthington Steel, that will give a good chunk. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you all next month.